editing charts in a PowerPoint presentation. You will be given a existing presentation that you have to open up. Then if there's a slide where there's a chart, you can make changes to that chart. You can change the layout, you can change the color, you can add a title, you can add Y and an X axis. So remember, if I want to work with my chart, I have to click on my chart so that it is selected. There must be a block around it showing that it is selected. As soon as you select your chart, on the top you will have Chart Tools. On your toolbar, Chart Tools, Design and Format. Now anything to do with that chart will be under Chart Tools. So let's click on Design. If I tell you that you need to change the color of the chart, change colors. Click on the arrow and I choose the color that I want to use or that I'm instructed to use. I can change the chart type. If I click on chart type, my different charts comes up. I can choose, it's either a line chart or a pie chart or a bar graph or area, depending on what your instruction says. Let's make it a bar graph for our exercise. You click on the one that you have to choose. There's even different options. Here's your stacked bar. There's a 3D clustered bar. Let's make it a 3D clustered bar. Read your instructions. I click on OK and my chart type has changed. I can add a title to my chart. If I look on the top of your toolbar, I'm sure that MS Office yours 2010 will have all the chart tools and everything there. There's my chart elements. I can have a chart title. Where do I want the title? Above the chart or in the center? Let's say above the chart. I can type in my title of my chart. Let's say strengths and weaknesses, whatever the title is they give you to put. People, I can go and change the style of my chart. You will see that each chart style has got a number, style 1, style 2, style 3, there's style 11. So if the instruction gives you a specific style that you have to use, you must look for that. Otherwise, you can just choose a style. Maybe they tell you that you can just change the style to anything you want to change it to. So then you choose one. You can edit the data of the chart. If they give you new data to put in, you can click on edit the data and you can change the data in Excel. Remember, your chart is imported from Excel. You change the data. Once you are done changing the data, you can just close it and your chart will still be in PowerPoint. So if I need to make changes to a chart, make sure that you click on the slide where the chart is. Then you click where the chart appears. You have to select your chart until you see that little block. As soon as you click on it, you will see that block telling you that it's selected. Then your chart tools will open up on top there where your design and your format will be. So anything to do with your chart, any changes that you have to make in your chart will be under Chart Tools, Design or Format. As soon as you select your chart, you will see that the Chart Tools will appear on top of your toolbar. Under Format, we can change the outline of the shape to different colors. We can shape fill. We can fill up the background of the chart depending on what instructions I get. Shape effects. I can have soft edges. I can have a shadow effect. Depending on what your instruction says, what you must change on your chart, you have to select your chart and all your tools will be under Chart Tools, Design and Format. If I need to delete that chart, if they don't want the chart there, I select my chart and I press delete on my keyboard and the chart will be deleted. Be careful not to select the information in the chart. As you can see that there's little blue dots there now, it means that that middle part is selected. There's another block. If I press delete now, nothing will happen. I have to select the outside of my whole chart so that there's no other blocks inside, only one block around my chart, and I press delete and my chart will be deleted. So any changes that you have to make to a chart, you go select the chart, it will be under Chart Tools, Design or Format. You can make all your changes there. If you have to delete it, make sure that you select the chart, press delete on your keyboard, and the chart will be deleted.